Hello, Bruce Sullivan back. Now that I've showed you how the process works where we apply a solution from a ladder and we use actually this 12 volt 40 psi pump system that applies the solution to the roof, and then we also rinse from a ladder with a garden hose pressure. We never use a power washer, which requires walking all over a cedar shake roof, and the pressure from a power washer potentially can cause great harm, as can walking all over the shingles unnecessarily. Obviously repairs you'd have to, but there's no need to do that process to clean a cedar shake roof. The ingredients within the solution that we use, which we've designed ourselves, it's not commercial, you cannot buy it. It's been developed. I mean, I'm 66 years old. This is 2017. I cleaned my first cedar roof when I was 15, being from the state of Maine. But anyway, this is our soap or surfactant, which is part of the cleaning agents within the solution, but it's primarily used to help hold the other ingredients up so they can do what they need to do to properly clean a cedar shake roof. This here is a citrus-based solution. It's non-toxic, non-caustic. It won't hurt you, your plants, the animals, landscaping, or anything else. What this does is once it's put up there, it helps open up the pores. This is an algicide, mildewcide, and fungicide combined. What this will do, once we get all the infestations out, it will help hold at bay the infestations from coming back sooner. Will they come back over time? Yes. There's nothing you can put on your roof that'll permanently stop it. Anyone that tells you there is not being totally truthful with you. But it is very effective at helping hold at bay and extending the time between cleanings, which can be anywhere from 8 to 12 years. We also use what's called a steam process oil. And the reason you want to use a steam process oil, cedar shake shingles, if you do your research, has a 3% natural oil content. Over time, and that can be anywhere from 5 to 10 years, it leaches out. A lot of it's because of the sun or the UV damage. So we add this into our solution to help rehydrate them, which is good for the shingles. So what we use is a surfactant or soap, which is biodegradable, as is the citrus-based solution that we use. The algicide, mildewcide, and fungicide is the same, and the steam process oil. So these are the ingredients that in combination will also maintain, clean, and preserve your cedar shake roof. So I'm also going to take a minute here and show you some examples of some of the jobs that we've done. And I'll do that right now, but I hope this has been informative in combination with the other video I sent you as to how our process works. Thank you. Hello, Bruce back. I just wanted to show you some examples of some of the work that we've done. We've cleaned hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of cedar shake roofs all over the Midwest. As you know, I sent you the video on how the process works, and then just before this, I showed you the solution and what's involved in our cleaning solution. And here are some of the results of some of the jobs, just as an example of the results that we get when we come out to maintain, clean, and preserve your cedar shake roof. So I just wanted to give you a preview of that. If you haven't been to our website and looked at the before and after pictures, also on the website there are videos and also many customer reviews, which will also be helpful in you making a determination. But our process I developed myself, and it's very effective, and we have many hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of customers throughout the Midwest. So I hope this has been informative and given you a better understanding of how you can maintain, clean, and preserve your cedar shake roof. So we're looking forward to coming out to your home and extending the life of your roof for many years to come. That's Bruce Sullivan with Sullivan Roof Cleaning. Thank you and have a nice day.